make cookies for my teacher. I have 2 teachers.
No, these cookies are for me. Yeah, well, that will we have used last time. Be patient. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Do you like school? If you don't, you're in trouble. Is this yogurt?
It's rotten icing.
This? Ew! What is it?
This is what it smells. It stinks.
No, it looks good.
No, that's bad. You're gonna give this to your teacher?
No. It smells good.
Stop, it's gross. Put it down.
Do you have any icing from when we made the cupcakes? Is that expired? Give me it!
She is. Good job, Jordan.
Thank you.
Good thing we have backups. I almost thought we would have to make homemade icing. Next, sprinkles! My favorite.
I thought these are your favorite.
Well, they are, but favorite type of thing to put on cupcakes. You can't put icing on cupcakes. Or can you? More sprinkles. Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug
No,
it.
you're gonna need it. It came out so nice.
But does it taste good? Hopefully the cookie part's not rotten. That's gingerbread.
Hope she likes it.
Jordan, your cookie came out so nice.
Thank you.